All right, welcome to the Mad County build series. It's June 10th, and I got just a little bit more brush to pile up, and then I can burn it all. It's been dry for about a week now, so I'm able to get in there and get this brush that I haven't been able to get in the last couple weeks. So we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna get these brush piles burning, and then I rented a brush cat, which is a brush mower for a skid steer, and I'm going to mow all this off that I've cleared to get all the little saplings, the trees, the brush. It'll mow up to like 3-inch diameter tree, so I'm going to get all that mowed off today. So we're going to get after it. Just little information about how rental stuff works. So if you're renting anything with like a motor, so like a skid steer or a backhoe, an excavator, anything that has an hour meter, you're going to run it by the day, and a day is an 8 hours on that meter. So the difference with like this is an attachment. So a day rental is, if I pick it up at 9 o'clock in the morning, I have to have it back the next morning at 9. But I can put as many hours on it as I want because there's no hour meter on it. So I'm going to just mow until I get this done. And I'm not sure how long it's going to take me, but I have it for 24 hours, and I can put as many hours on this as I need to, because it doesn't have an hour meter. So it was $225 for the day. So it should be well worth it. Well, I've been mowing for a little over an hour with that thing, and it works pretty darn good. So I'm gonna get my $225 worth for sure. So I'm gonna get this brush pile going, and then I'm gonna go back here and start mowing off all that back there that I've cleared. So it's pretty exciting. It looks a lot different now. So heading in the right direction. May 10th is June 10th is in the books. Not a bad day. Got all but 2 of the brush piles lit on fire. They're burnt down pretty good. They're smoldering. The wind's supposed to be in a good direction, so it won't bother anybody that lives anywhere near me. So I'm just gonna leave them overnight, and then I'll just push them up one more time in the morning. But got a little brush piled up this morning first thing. Then I had that brush cutter for my skid steer that I rented today. Worked real good. I don't even know if I put 8 hours on it, and I got everything done that I needed. And it was pretty quick, pretty efficient, and it was well worth the money. So I'm excited I did that. And then of course I got these brush piles burnt. So overall it's a good day. Come back out here tomorrow, finish up these burn piles, and then I got a couple other jobs I might take on since I'm waiting for permits. So I might do that towards the end of the week, but not sure yet. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow.